Next in Scratch, we are going to do this motion block, which is in blue color. So motion block tells the sprite how and where to move. Our first option here is move 10 steps. It is going to move sprite 10 steps in one go. For example, here we'll go to events, and when green flag is clicked, we'll go to motion block again, move 10 steps. So in one go, sprite will move 10 steps. Instead of 10, if I say 50 steps, then movement is little more faster. Then is turn 15 degrees. So it is going to make sprite turn or rotate with a 15-degree angle, and rotation is clockwise. So whenever we click this green flag, sprite will start moving. Instead of 15, if I say it is 30, then this movement is little more faster. So this was our clockwise rotation, and turn anti-clockwise, it is going to rotate our sprite anti-clockwise direction with an angle of 15 degrees. Next is go to random position. This is going to take our sprite to any random position of our screen whenever this green flag is clicked. So here I am clicking this green flag, and you can see that the sprite is moving randomly on our stage. Instead of random position, if I put mouse pointer, then what will happen? A mouse pointer is here. So sprite will move this side, somewhere here. Now whenever I'll click this green flag, this flag is upside. So this sprite will move little upside. Here we can see that it has moved upside. Now go to X and Y coordinate. What does it mean? It is going to take sprite to these specified positions. For example, here if I say X is 0 and Y is also 0, then sprite will directly move to the specified position where X is 0 and Y is 0. So this is the place where X is 0 and Y is 0. Here we can see that X 0, Y 0. If I say here instead of 0, X 50 and Y is 50. So this is X 50 and Y 50 position. Our next option is glide 1 second to random position. So gliding means moving smoothly. So the sprite will move for 1 second smoothly in random position, random direction. For 1 second it has moved to this direction. Again when I will click, it will move to some other direction. If I say instead of random position, if I say mouse pointer, then it will move towards mouse pointer. Like my mouse pointer is here on the left hand side of sprite, sprite will move to left side, and if I click here, it will move little up. And instead of 1 second, if I say it is 4 seconds, then movement will be little slow, but it will move for 4 seconds. So we can here see that movement is little slow than previous. Next is same thing, but it is glide 1 second to X and Y coordinate. Here X is minus 240 and Y is 104. Instead of that, if I say glide for 1 second to X 50 and Y 50, then it will reach to that position smoothly, and it will move for 1 second. This is X 50 and Y 50. Our next option is point to direction 90. What does it mean? It is going to, if it is 90, it is going to move sprite in right hand side. So when I will click this green flag, you can see that sprite is not moving because we haven't provided movement. So here I am saying move 10 steps. So whenever this green flag is clicked, it will going to move right hand side. And here instead of 90, if I say it is 0, then sprite will move upside. And here if it is minus 90, then sprite will move left hand side. We can see that sprite is upside down. We can see how can we change its this thing later, but as of now we can see that when it is minus 90, then it is going to move left hand side, and when it is 180, then it is going to move downside. Then our next option is point towards mouse pointer. So whenever we put it here and whenever green flag is clicked, we have to give movement. We can see that mouse pointer is here, so it is moving here. When we click here, it is going to move this side. Next option is change x by 10. So this is our sprite, and if I put change x by 10, that means whatever is the x coordinate right now, it is minus 56. It is going to change its position by 10. So when I click this, you can see that now it is minus 36. Now it is minus 26. It is changing it by 10. One thing we have to notice here, then that whenever there is it is positive number, movement will be right hand side, and whenever here we put negative number, like here I put minus, then it is going to move left hand side. Same way, change y by 10. Y axis is this axis. So whenever it is positive value, it is going to move upside, and whenever it is negative value, it is going to move downside. Now set x to, if we want to fix the position of x-axis of the sprite, then we can say set x to, if I say 0, then sprite will be fixed at x0. Y can be anything. And instead of this, if I say set y to, and if I say 0, y will be set to 0, x can be anything. Next option is if on edge bounce. What does it mean here? This is the edge. If sprite reaches this edge, if it touches this edge, it should bounce back to backside. So here we are saying first we have to give movement to sprite, and then if on edge bounce. So whenever I click here, it is going to move in its direction. Now it is going to touch the edge, changes its direction.